Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, now let us learn subtracting two-digit numbers. Alright? In the third level, we got a lot of work to be done in subtraction. So we begin with subtracting two-digit numbers, and in subtraction we have to be very careful. Have to be very alert, looking at the numbers, looking at the place value ones, tens. Subtracting. Subtracting two-digit numbers. Okay, that's what we're going to do now. Okay. Now I'll put down some sums for you and then we'll work together. Now, 76 minus 56 97 minus 45 84 minus 51. Okay? Now, you need to write on the top ones, tens. So we're doing two-digit first and then we go on. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 sums. Then the, okay, ones, and tens. Now, 73 minus 50, right? 64 minus 53. Finally, 51 minus 30. Okay, next one more set. Right there, ones, tens for you again. Ones and tens. Okay, now 29 minus 19. And the next 51 minus 31. Then 50 minus 20. Okay, I've got a whole lot of sums for you and we will do it very carefully. Okay, we got here 3, 6, 9 sums are put up for you and we are going to do subtracting 2-digit numbers. And I've written the place value on the top, ones, tens. We've got to look at the ones carefully, finish that before we go to the tens. The first problem here is 76 minus 56. Now 6 take away 6. Any number take away any number, same number is 6 take away 6 is 0. Next, 7 take away 5 is 2. So that's your first answer. 6 take away 6, 0. 7 take away 5, 2. The second sum is 97 minus 45. 7 take away 5, good. 2. 9 take away 4 is 5, very good. So that is how we go on. Okay, and the third sum, 84 minus 51. Okay, the ones place you have 4 and 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. 8 take away 5 is also 3. Okay, now we go to the next sum. 73 minus 50. In the ones place you have 3. 3 take away 0. 3 minus 3 is 0 is 3 itself. 7 take away 5 is 2. 7 take away 5 is 2. So you got 23. The next we have here is 64 minus 53. 64 minus 53. In the ones place you got 4 and 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. 6 take away 5 is also 1. So you got 11 answer. In the next sum you have 51 minus 30. In the ones place you have 1 and 0. 1 take away 0 is 1 itself. 3 minus 2. 5 take away 3 or 5 minus 3 is 2. Good. The next sum. 29 minus 19. 9. The ones place you have 9 and 9. 9 take away 9, 0. Good. 2 take away 1 is 1. Good. Next you have 51 minus 31. 1 take away 1, 0. 5 take away 3 is 2. Good. Finally you have 50 minus 20. 0 take away 0 is always 0 and 5 take away 2 is 3. Alright. So now we learn to do subtracting 2-digit numbers. First we minus the ones, then the tens. Any number 1 minus 1 is always 0. 0 minus 0 is always 0. And then 6 minus any number minus the same number is 0. 9 take away 9 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. 0 take away 0 is 0. Alright.